You're just about to witness the unboxing of the world's finest chocolate, Nama chocolate, Royce. It's kept in a nice cooling bag. So you open the cooling bag like this. And see this nice cooling ice which they keep so that the chocolate remains fresh. The best chocolate ever. It's nice and bitter. 39% of it's expiring on 17th of July, so gotta finish off soon. Yeah, so 39% cocoa in this. They have a bitter one also. They have a range which is more bitter, but I don't want to try that. So let's see how it is. See this toothpick sort of a thing? And I think inside there's again more dry ice. See how well it's packed. And you open this. You are about to witness a moment of pure magic. Pure magic. More dry ice to keep it fresh. What is this? I don't know what this is. Guess it's dry ice. Open the toothpick. And here it is. 24 cubes of amazing Nama chocolate. Mmm.